Welcome to CoreProxy.io.
In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to configure a manual proxy server on your Android device using your Wi-Fi settings. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android device and tap on Wi-Fi or Network and Internet, depending on your device. Make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi network. Tap the gear icon next to it to access network settings. Scroll down and look for Proxy or Advanced options. Tap on it, change this to Manual to enter your custom proxy details. Now enter your hostname or server address in the first field, followed by the port number in the port field. Once you save or connect, your Android device may prompt you for a username and password. When prompted, enter the username and password exactly as they appear in your CoreProxy dashboard. Tap Save or Connect to apply your proxy settings to this Wi-Fi network. To confirm everything is working, open your browser and visit any IP checking website like whatismyipaddress.com. As you can see, your IP address has been successfully changed through CoreProxy. Your Android device is now routing traffic through your CoreProxy proxy server.